Whenever I say the word marketing automation to a business owner who doesn't understand it yet, they immediately gloss over it because they think it's complex, that it has to be difficult and elaborate to make any kind of impact or success. Well, I'm here to tell you different. I'm Shaun Whynacht with Blue Cow Marketing, and for over a decade, I've been helping small businesses automate processes to make a difference in their day-to-day lives. You see, it was over a decade ago that I built my first automatic sequence, and this was because I signed up for a software at the time. Back then, it was called Infusionsoft, and now they moved to Keep. And over these 10 years, I've worked in many different tools and softwares along the way. But what makes this different was when I signed up for this software, the coach that I had said, let's pick one thing and let's build one sequence to have one goal. So we did, and I ultimately ended up building a 10-day sequence that every day, the people that opted in got a video in an email that talked about one aspect of using Facebook. Not just Facebook in their business, but Facebook in their personal life. And back then, that was an important thing because many people in the area that I was servicing didn't understand how to use Facebook. They didn't know how to create an account. They didn't know how to upload photos and things like that. So that's what this was. It was a personal training sequence. But I was targeting business owners. So they opt in, they get one email with one video every single day talking about one thing. At the end of that 10-day period, I sent one more email with one question. And the question was, could you see using Facebook in your business? If so, reply back. Told them one thing, asked one question, asked them to do one thing, and let me tell you, the response rate to that email was well over 70%. And I booked a lot of calls with clients that we ended up working with. And I was able to double my business in that year of using that one single automated sequence. So it's that philosophy that I use when I work with clients is let's look at those one thing here in your department, right? Like let's look in your marketing. What's the one thing that we can automate right now? Let's look at that one thing in your sales process. Let's look at that one thing in your customer service, and let's put some automation in place to streamline it, make it easier, give you back more time. Once that's working, let's look at the next one thing, because this doesn't have to be complicated. So the reason I put this video together is because when people hear that story, I think something goes off. There's a light bulb that pops off in their head and they think, wow, okay, I never thought of it this way. So if you're struggling in your business and you have a lot going on and you're just telling yourself, man, I wish there was a better way. I'm spending so much time doing this or doing that, or I'm worried that things are falling through the cracks and people maybe are coming to my website and they're not actually contacting me, or they are, and those leads are falling through the cracks, or the current system I have in place is just not notifying me. If any of those things are in your mind, I urge you just comment wherever you see this video, reply back if you got it by email, because I'd love to have a discussion with you as to how I can help you personally in your business put some automation in place so that you can get back to doing the things that you love and, having more time in your day. Thanks for watching.